अब मैले भने यो रेगुलर यो भनेको कोड नम्बर सुदूरपश्चिम
सर
प्रदेश।
आइरहेछ।
ओके ओके सुदूरपश्चिम प्रदेश है। जस्तै यहाँ पहिला क्वेसनलाई हामीले रिड गर्नुपर्छ अनि यसलाई एकदमै हामीले एकचोटि फेरि आफूले पनि गरेर हेर्नुपर्छ। एकदम भेरी इजी छ, क्वेसन सिम्पल छ। जस्तो इन अ सर्वे कन्डक्टेड एमङ 120 स्टुडेन्ट इन क्लास 10 अफ secondary school, it was found that 60 students like cricket game and 55 students like basket game and 20 students didn't like any of this game. Now if C and B denote the set of students who like cricket and basketball game respectively, write the cardinality भन्यो हैन। cardinality and present the above information in a Venn diagram. Find the number of students who like cricket game only and compare the number of students who like cricket game only and who like basket game only. सिम्बल मा लेख्नु पर्छ। जस्तै यो अहिले हामीले सल्भ गर्दै सर्छ है। अलि हाम्रो एसई 2081 को हो, यो सुदूर पश्चिम प्रदेशको क्वेसन हो र यो सेट हो र यसको हामीलाई नम्बर 1 को एन्सर छ। अब यो एबीसी मा छ, यु शुड राइट ए नम्बर अफ पिपल और स्टुडेन्ट अनि यहाँ के छ त भन्दाखेरि सी एन्ड बी, यहाँ बी युनियन सी, यहाँ फर्स्टमा सी छ, सेकेन्डमा बी छ, तर यहाँ फर्स्टमा बी दियो, यो डजन्ट म्याटर, यसले केही पनि गर्दैन। एन्ड बी युनियन सी कम्प्लिमेन्ट अलरेडी क्वेसन यहाँ मेन्सन गरेको छ कि 20 students didn't like any of these two games or like none of this game also है। so answer is 20, very simple। अब यति लेखेको हामीले 1 मार्क्स हुन्छ। नम्बर 2, अब नम्बर 2 मा हामीले यसलाई चाहिँ पहिला भेन डायग्राममा सो गर्नु भन्दा अगाडि हामीले यसको लेखौं टोटल नम्बर NU equal to 120। similarly 60 like cricket, so cricket NC equal to 60 and basketball cricket and 55 like basketball equal to 55 and 20 didn't like both, so both and let number of people like both equal to x। हामीले यहाँनिर total number of people players like this student total 120, number of people who like cricket 60, basketball 55 and didn't like both 20, their intersection let B intersection C, or you can write C intersection B, same thing। Now to show in Venn diagram, just draw a rectangular line here and it is U, and draw true circular like this, and you can write number of people who like cricket equal to 60, who like basketball equal to 55, but you can interchange basketball and cricket also, it doesn't matter। Now 20 is out of these two games, now it common is x, so now this part is 60 minus x, 60 minus x and 55 minus x। now this is for 1 marks, यो हामीलाई 1 marks को लागि यति हुन्छ र यो इन केस हामीले यो यहाँ राख्नु मिस्टेक गर्यौं बिर्स्यौं भने यो मिनिङलेस हुन्छ हो। यो c इक्वल टु 60 चाहिँ हामीले यहाँ राख्नु पर्यो अनि b इक्वल टु 55, अनि जस्तो यो 16 राखे पनि c एन्ड b पनि कसरी सो गर्छ, तर यो चाहिँ यहाँ राख्नु पर्यो, अदरवाइज यो हाम्रो भ्यालु चाहिँ मान चाहिँ हुँदैन, रङ हुन्छ हैन, सो हाम्रो मार्क्स आउँदैन। नाउ इन नम्बर C to find many more, अब अरु कुरा के छ भन्दाखेरि find the number of students who like cricket game only। अब क्रिकेट गेम वानले थाहा पाउनु भन्दा अगाडि त हाम्रो x को भ्यालु थाहा पाउनु पर्यो, सो NU nu equal to now 60 minus x, similarly x, and 55 minus x plus 20. 60 minus x plus x, 55 minus x plus 20. Now nu, total number of students equal to 120 minus x plus x cancel. अब यसलाई तिमीलाई कन्फिडेन्स हुँदैन भने you can use calculator also, हैन, रङ गर्नु भएन, calculator also, and result is 135 minus x. Always x should be positive, so minus x plus x, 135 minus 120, now equal to 15. It means the number of people who like both games equal to 15. But question asked, find the number of students who like cricket game only. Cricket game only. So here cricket game only. Cricket game only, and not C equal to 60 minus x. 60 minus x. 60 minus 15, so equal to 45. 45 students like cricket game only. Cricket game only. Now after then, number D, compare the number of students who like cricket game only and who like basket game only. Now you can take directly their ratio D like this. Again read the question. We have to compare cricket game number, compare cricket game only and basketball only. Okay, cricket game only and basketball only. Now first you can write only cricket game to only basketball. You can like this, and only cricket game 60 minus x, which is 45, already obtained. Now basketball only 55 minus x, so 60 minus 15, 55 minus 15, now equal to 45 by 0, 40. Now it is cancelled by 5 9s are 5 8s are. So answer is 9 by 8, or you can write 9:8 also possible. So students may compare between their numbers also like this, 45 and 40. Number of students who like cricket only is more than basketball only by 5. Then you 40 sir, you 45 sir. So student may write like this also. The number of students who like cricket ball is more than the number of students who like basketball only is more than 5. Then you 5 sir, the 5 ले चाहिँ बढी भइरहेको छ भन्ने पनि हुन्छ. Now okay, now it is Karnali Pradesh. Now out of 100 students of a class 10 of school, 60 like English and 50 like mathematics, but 20 did not like any of these two subjects. The sets of students who like English and math are denoted by E and M. In this case, E stands for English, M stands for mathematics, and total number of students 100, and English like 60, mathematics 50, and 20 didn't like both. Now question says, write the set of the number of who did not like any of these two subjects in the cardinality notation. Very easy. Here 20 didn't like any of this, so N, now you should write English, union, math of complement equal to कति हुन्छ हामीलाई 20. यो हाम्रो भन्दाखेरि हामीलाई we should lead For example, present the given information in a Venn diagram assuming x for the number of students who like both subjects. यो हामीले इन्फर्मेसन नदिएको भए तापनि बोथ हामीले x नै सपोजिङ गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है. ओके, mention the number of students who like both equal to x. So represent in Venn diagram like this, very equation like this u, and draw two ovals like this, and it is English equal to 60, mathematics equal to 50. Now 20 didn't like both, now they both like equal to x, so 60 minus x, 50 minus x. Same process. Now it is for 1 marks. Now number C. Number C, find the number of students who like exactly one subject. Exactly one subject. Now, exactly one subject. Before finding the exactly one subject, you should know the value of x. Now, nu equal to, first write 60 minus x. Now plus x, and 50 minus x plus 20. Now nu equal to 100. Now x and x cancel. Now it will be 130 minus x. 130. Now find the value of x. X equal to 130 minus 100 equal to 30. Now it is the number of people or students who like both. But question says find the number of people or students exactly one subject. Number of student who like exactly one subject equal to only English plus only math. Exactly one subject means number of students who like only English plus number of students who like math. So right here 60 minus x, 50 minus x. 60, now x equal to 30. Now 50, x equal to 30. Now use calculator. Now 60 minus 30 plus 50 minus 30. So 50 students like exactly one subject. Exactly one subject means number of students who like English only plus math only is known as exactly one subject. Now in number D, if 30 students didn't like any of these two subjects, 30 or 20, which one? 20. What will be the effect in the number of students who like both subjects? Find it भनेको छ. यो चाहिँ अब हाम्रो हायर एबिलिटी हुन्छ. यसमा हाम्रो च्यालेन्जिङ टाइपको क्वेशन हुन्छ. अब तिमीले यसो हेर्दा आएन भने यसलाई तिमीले के गर्न सक्छौ भने नम्बर डी को लागि 1 मार्क्स लाग्यो है. यसलाई हामीले फेरि फिगर बनाएर हेर्यौ भने कसरी हुन्छ यारमा है त. यो चाहिँ एकदमै जान्नेको लागि हो, हायर एबिलिटी टेस्ट है. जस्तो यहाँनिर एकछिन हेरौँ है त. जस्तो अहिले हामीलाई यो एकछिन मलाई ई लाई यहाँ 60 लेखे है. यो यहाँनिर 50 छ, यो x छ है. अब यो 60 माइनस x पनि छ, यो 50 माइनस x छ. यो नम्बर चाहिँ हाम्रो 30 छ है. 20 को ठाउँमा 30 छ. अब त्यसो हुँदाखेरि यसले यो क्वेशनले के भन्छ नि, यो दुईटा जसले दुईटा मन पर्छ त्यसलाई इफेक्ट गर्छ कि गर्दैन भनेको छ. अब तिमीलाई कन्फ्युजन छैन भने यसलाई एक्चुअली जोडेर हामी हेरौँ त. 100 इक्वल टु 100 माइनस x प्लस x, 50 माइनस x प्लस 30. अनि यो र यो क्यान्सल हुन्छ 100 हैन. अब यसलाई हामीले प्लस गरौँ त कति हुन्छ यो. अब हैन यो 140 माइनस x हुन्छ हो हैन यसलाई यो 80 यति हुन्छ x भनेपछि हाम्रो कति आउँछ त 40 आउँछ तर अघि चाहिँ हाम्रो यसमा कति आएर थियो हाम्रो 30 आएर थियो के हैन 30 आएर थियो यसमा अहिले हाम्रो 40 आयो अब यो क्वेशनले हामीले के भनिरहेको छ भन्दाखेरि आएर मात्रै यसलाई हामीले ट्राई गरेर पनि हेर्नु पर्यो नि त if 30 student didn't like any of these two subject हैन दुवै मन परेन 30 ले भने what will be the effect in number of students who like both subject find it भनेको छ अब हामीले यसलाई चाहिँ हाम्रो जस्तो अहिले मैले भने जस्तै 20 को ठाउँमा 30 आयो भने यसलाई इफेक्ट गर्छ यो बोथ सब्जेक्ट मन परेको नम्बर के हुन्छ इन्क्रिज हुन्छ किनभने हामीले अघि यहाँ के गर्नु त अब हामीले यहाँनिर 20 हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ अघि हाम्रो यहाँ कति आएको छ यसको नम्बर 30 आएको छ अब यसलाई हामीले फेरि रियलै राखे हेरौँ नि त 20 को ठाउँमा यहाँ 30 राख्यौं भने त यसको नम्बरमा के हुन्छ हाम्रो इन्क्रिज भएर आउने हुन्छ है इन्क्रिज भएर आउने हुन्छ नि त सो अब हामीले यसलाई यो गरेर हेर्नु राम्रो हुन्छ therefore it will be increase हैन it will be increase by कतिले बढ्ने भयो भन्दाखेरि अब हाम्रो 10 यो चाहिँ हाम्रो 10 ले इन्क्रिज हुने भयो के it will be increase by 10 ले चाहिँ इन्क्रिज भएर चाहिँ आउँछ यो चाहिँ हाम्रो हायर एबिलिटी टाइपको क्वेशन चाहिँ हो है